guys, I'm going to show you what happens to my dog when I put a broom at him. Alright, ready? This is him. His name's Benny. Ready? He just keeps barking the whole time. Mud. Alright guys, that was my crazy dog, so don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment how funny it was, and yeah, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you guys. And it's my dog. Hello. Oh, stop biting me. That's him. What are you doing at the camera? Ow, licking my foot. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. He's on top of me. Whoa! Oh, stop biting my ass. Guys, I'm going at the flat. This is my crazy dog. I got to end the video now, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you can rate, comment, and subscribe.